everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. In today's video, we are going to discuss a new vowel digraph. In my previous video, we discussed three vowel digraphs which are A, E and I. So if you have not watched that video, I'll provide the link in the description box below. Let's move to today's video. Today we are going to learn a new digraph. Digraph is when two letters join together to make a new sound. Here we are going to take two letters O and O. When you say it together, it makes two sounds. One is long oo and another is short oo. Long oo as in zoo, moon, food. Short oo as in book, hook and look. So how to teach long and short oo sounds? Students will not be able to decide which sounds to use just by looking at the word. That's why it's important to teach both the sounds. First, you can show them some long oo sound words like zoo, moon and food. After teaching that, then you can move to short oo sound words like book, hook, look and cook. After that, you can give some words which have short oo sound and long oo sound. For example, I have given here the first set, it is food and book, food and moon. Now you can ask the kid which word has long oo sound here. Is it food and book or food and moon? So it is food here, this one has oo, long oo, and this one also has long oo. So it is food and moon. Another set of example is, here it is spool and cool, and the second set it is spool and took. So which one has the long oo sound? It is spool and cool. Now let us take a look at some of the worksheets to practice long and short oo sound. So here I have given some words. Now kid has to sort these words into long oo sound and short oo sound. So oo like food and oo like foot. The first word, it is zoo. So this one has long oo sound. So that will go here. The second one, it is room. So this one also has long oo. So this one will come here. The next word, it is book. This has short oo sound like foot. So this will come here. Book. The next one, it is broom. This one has long oo sound. So this one will come on this side. The next word, it is soon. So this also has long oo sound. So this will go here. The next word, it is look. Look has short oo sound like foot. So look will come here. The next one, it is fool. So this has long oo sound. So this will come here. The next word, it is took. This has short oo sound. So this will come under here. Next worksheet is to circle the word pair that rhymes. Took and book, that rhymes, so you have to circle it. Next one, it is wood and wool, that doesn't rhyme. The next one, it is look and hook, that rhymes, so you have to circle that one. The last one, it is spool and tool, both has long oo sounds and also rhymes, so you have to circle that one. The next worksheet is, kid has to read the sentence and has to look at the underlined word. So sentence says, he loved to swim in the pool. Now the kid has to decide whether pool has short oo or long oo. Oo as in look or oo as in cool. Pool has long oo, so this is the right one. The next sentence is, I like to cook pizza for dinner. So cook, does it has short oo or long oo? Oo as in look or oo as in cool. So it has short oo, so oo as in look. So this is the right one. The next sentence is, she had a good day. Good, does it has short oo or long oo? Oo as in look or oo as in cool. Good has short oo, so this is the right. So that's all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful to teach your little ones at home. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. See you all again with another video. Thanks for watching.